Yo, what's going on, VIP family? Welcome back to another episode. The Lexus is back. Before I get to the interior, let's go over, what's been done. So I finished the custom intake, had that painted, and it looks dope, man. I like the results of it. Sorry for the loud noise. I am outside currently at the park, but yeah, I like the results of it, man. Just looks clean. So let's get into the interior. So yeah, interior is done, and I'm happy with the results. Those of you that don't know, I got the wood flooring, but I'm switching those out pretty soon. Alright, sorry about that. Somebody pulled up, they wanted to check out the car. So yeah, back. So okay, door panels, pretty much interior is done. Door panels, door inserts are in there. So as you can see, a couple things I need to do on my end is pretty much, like I told you guys, is match the trim pieces to the seats. So you can see the seats are like a whitish color, and the interior is still tan. So that's pretty much something I need to do, but I'll be doing that pretty soon. Also through suede on the armrest. Gotta keep that clean though, so I covered it up with that. Let's see what else. Headliner is gonna match the armrest also. It's a light gray, so I feel like it flows with the seats perfect. So yeah, like I said, I do have some interior mats coming, some floor mats coming, diamond stitch. That's also going to be light gray to pretty much match the seats. But yeah, man, I'm pleased the way it came out. Like I said, outside, great quality, man, great quality. Everything fits smooth. Let you guys see that. So, me personally, I have no complaints. Let's go back to the front. But yeah, so the next thing that I'm gonna be working on, next project, is gonna be pretty much painting the interior parts to match the seats. Obviously the tail lights still need to get done, so I'm gonna be working on that. But I just wanted to get you guys an update on the interior, let you guys see how that's coming out. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Till next time.